Lancôme Lash Idôle Flutter Extension Lash Lengthening Mascara. Black mascara for instant lash extension look. Clump and flake resistant up to 24H wear black. This iconic black mascara is designed to deliver up to plus 75% visible length, giving you fluttery, clump-free lashes that last up to 24 hours. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable mascara, this product is a must-have in your beauty arsenal. Why choose Lancôme Lash Idôle Flutter Extension Mascara? 1. Lightweight formula for weightless lashes. Lancôme's formula elongates your lashes without weighing them down. This ensures a comfortable, weightless feel throughout the day. 2. Up to plus 75% visible length. Its innovative formula and nano-bristle brush work together to provide up to plus 75% visible length, giving you the lash extension look you've always wanted. 3. Clump and flake resistant for 24 hours. Lancôme Lash Idôle, you can enjoy clump-free, flake-resistant lashes for up to 24 hours. Whether you're heading to work, a party, or a long day out, your lashes will stay flawless. 4. Nano-bristle brush for precision application. The mascara's nano-bristle brush is designed to coat every lash from root to tip, ensuring even application and maximum length. The brush's unique shape also helps separate lashes, preventing clumps and giving you a natural, fluttery look. Lancôme Lash Idôle Flutter Extension Lash Lengthening Mascara is a must-try for anyone looking to enhance their natural lashes. Its lightweight formula, clump-free application, and long-lasting wear make it a standout product in the world of mascaras. Whether you're going for a natural look or full-on drama, this mascara has you covered. So, why wait? Add Lancôme Lash Idôle to your makeup collection and experience the magic of fluttery, extended lashes every day.